3 ways to turn your sunroom into the most used room in your home. If you've recently added a sunroom to your home, congratulations! Families, retirees, and single professionals all realize the incredible benefits of this one exciting addition. Here are 3 ways to turn your sunroom into the most used room in your home. Transform a home office. With more people working remotely, upgrading the home office is a top priority. So why not transform yours by moving it to the sunroom? With floor-to-ceiling glass windows, the sunroom is the ideal space to work, boosting productivity and keeping energy levels high. Enjoy a relaxing spa-like retreat. There's something magical about time at a fancy spa, but why not build your own rejuvenating retreat at home? A sunroom is the ideal space to recreate this experience. Windows on 3 sides bring nature front and center. Just add oversized plants, comfy seating, and a water feature to maximize relaxation. Create a happy, bright room for the family. And whether you have little kids, teens, or a spouse who enjoys playing board games, the sunroom is a great place to gather for family fun. With natural light and fresh air, the fabulous sunroom is where everyone will go to relax and unwind at home. So go ahead, relax in style. You deserve it. Turn your backyard, patio, or deck into a year-round family room, playroom, home office, or even a workout area. To learn more about the benefits of owning a sunroom, pergola, screen room, or patio cover, or to get a price estimate, give us a call or visit our website at sleepycreeksunrooms.com.